Blackout Bingo freezing in the middle of a match usually points to a connection, app, or a device resource problem rather than the match itself. The fastest checks are your internet connection, the app version, available storage, and whether other apps are consuming resources in the background. By the end, you'll know which checks to make first and what to do if Blackout Bingo keeps freezing after you reopen it. Start by checking your connection while the game is frozen. If you're using Wi-Fi, disconnect and reconnect to the network, then reopen Blackout Bingo. If possible, test the game on mobile data. If the game freezes on Wi-Fi but works normally on cellular data, the Wi-Fi connection is the first thing to troubleshoot. If the freeze happens on both Wi-Fi and mobile data, completely close Blackout Bingo and launch it again. On Android, open the Recent Apps screen and swipe Blackout Bingo away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe the game away. Then, start the game again. Next, check for an available Blackout Bingo update. Open Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for Blackout Bingo, and check whether an update button is available. If there is an update, install it before testing another match. Your phone's available storage can also affect app performance. Check the storage section in your phone settings and make sure you have free space available. If storage is nearly full, remove unused downloads, videos, or apps before launching Blackout Bingo again. Also close other apps that are actively running, especially games, video apps, screen recorders, or anything using heavy background activity. Then restart your phone and test Blackout Bingo again. If you're on Android and the game continues freezing, you can also check the app's cache through Settings, Apps, Blackout Bingo, and Storage. If your phone provides a clear cache option, use that first rather than clearing app data. Clearing app data can remove locally stored information and may require you to sign in again. On iPhone, there is no equivalent general clear cache button for individual apps. If restarting and updating do not help, check whether iOS itself has an available software update. If Blackout Bingo freezes only during matches while other parts of the app remain responsive, record exactly when it happens, and whether the same behavior occurs after restarting the game. That information can help distinguish a connection problem from an app-specific issue. The practical order is simple. Test the connection, fully restart Blackout Bingo, update the app, free storage, close background apps, and restart the phone. Try those steps before reinstalling the game. If the freezing continues after all of them, contact Blackout Bingo support with your device model, operating system version, and exactly when the freeze occurs. If this fixed your match freezing problem, like the video and subscribe for more Blackout Bingo fixes.